It was a jubilant mood at St. Michael's School in the often volatile Southside community in downtown Kingston today. Majority of the students who sat the PEP exam were placed in top traditional schools, an achievement that was far-fetched a decade ago. The details in this report.
Then we add X, and that should give us 180.
A functioning grade 6 class producing excellent students. Usually, only 2 boys pass for traditional schools from St. Michael's Primary. This year, there were 10, including head boy Damarley Dawkins, who passed for Arden High.
The exams weren't preferably hard, they were on the easier side. Personally, I think they're on the easier side for me because I studied for them. Some students might find it harder, but overall it was just easy.
Marie Ridgard's son, Asim Williams, passed for Jamaica College despite a life-changing incident.
He lost his father in October last year, and it kind of threw him off balance, but with the help of the teachers, the whole school community, the family, they worked together, they gave him counseling, and he kind of came back up and his grade reached back to the level where it was.
It's an achievement that has brightened the sometimes dark community of Southside where the school is located.
We must celebrate in style because our boys have done well. Normally we'd have gotten like 2 boys earning top scores or whatever. This year we have about 10, right? And they are placed at various high schools across the Kingston area. And they did well. Some of them have been through so much trauma.
Overall, 15 of the 25 students that sat PEP passed for traditional high schools. And to reward the students, the school did a celebratory march in the community today. But in September 2023, this seemed unlikely. 20 of the 25 grade 6 students were below the grade level. Andrea Brown Henry is the grade 6 teacher.
I took quite a number of them from the level they were at. I have moved them up 2 tiers, even 3 tiers. And I'm truly thankful to God in particular for that.
For some schools, this is customary, but for St. Michael's Primary, this represents 10 years of hard work. Juliet Campbell McPherson is principal.
Our population was at a mere 98 students, and we were deemed the slow school. Parents would not want us to be their first choice, so hence the low population.
We're smack in the middle of Southside, and Southside have his name for being most volatile some of the times, but the teachers never gave up, and the parents saw that the teachers never gave up, and they decided to give St. Michael a chance, and we're growing.
And to continue that growth, outgoing head boy Damarley Dawkins has this advice for his successor.
Don't give trouble and make sure the students are not giving the teachers any problems. Keep everybody under control. Don't use the power that you have over people in any way at all. Just do it for the better of the school.